Personal safety is becoming a growing concern for members of Congress. Capitol Police say threats and acts of violence against lawmakers continue to increase. Now, U.S. House administrators are taking steps to protect lawmakers and their families back in their districts. Capitol Hill correspondent Eric Rosales joins us now with what is being done. Eric.
Well, good evening, Tracy. You know, in response to those rising threats against lawmakers, the House Sergeant at Arms is going to be giving lawmakers over on the House side money so that they can better protect their personal homes, such as using security devices. Many of the lawmakers that I spoke with say that they are concerned about their family members when they're out and about.
I can't do my job unless I'm out hearing from the people I represent. And so, you know, if it's wherever I'm at in my district, if we're doing our courthouse conferences or you name it, I have to be out.
Catholic Congressman Bob Latta is not alone in his concerns.
I'll be honest, you know, it's one thing to be here, but when we're here, you know, all of us think about our families back home. And making sure that they're safe when we're not around.
A sergeant-at-arms memo to all House members show lawmakers will receive up to $10,000 in security upgrades for their homes and district offices. Also covered, monitoring fees up to $150 a month. The enhanced security measures come more than a year after the Capitol riot, and most recently in the wake of an attempted assault on New York Congressman Lee Zeldin, who was attacked by a man with a weapon during a campaign stop. 2 weeks before that, a man was arrested outside the home of Congresswoman Pramila Jayapal for allegedly threatening to kill her. Some lawmakers have used their campaign accounts to pay for private security and additional protective measures, especially after January 6th.
And having security is not just for the member. We have children, many of us, and spouses. So I think the family should be protected as well as the member themselves. So I think it's reasonable. It's sad that we need it, but I think it's a reasonable thing.
As I mentioned, the number of credible threats against lawmakers continues to rise. Last year, according to Capitol Police, some 9,600 credible threats came in. That's compared to 4,000 in 2017. And by the way, there is not a similar program over on the Senate side. At the Capitol, Eric Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.